Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner's guide on how to use custom fonts in your Power BI reports. If you've ever wished your reports could look more aligned with your company branding, feel more modern and striking, or just be easier for your audience to read, then this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to make that happen. By the end of this video, you'll know how to go beyond the plain default font and give your reports a polished, professional look, all with just a few easy steps. Let's dive in. First, it's worth asking, why even bother with custom fonts? Well, there are a few important reasons. Using the right font can help your report match your organization's brand guidelines, something that's really important if you want your reports to feel like an extension of your company's identity. A custom font can also give your report a modern, cohesive look, instead of the standard Sego UI that everyone's seen 1,000 times. And quiet but crucial, choosing the right font actually improves readability and lets you guide your viewers' eyes right where you want, especially for your most important KPIs. So how do you actually use custom fonts in Power BI? It's a lot more flexible now than it used to be. Step 1 is to check out Power BI's native font options. With improvements rolling out in 2025, Power BI comes with built-in support for a wide set of web-safe and theme-based fonts. You've got the default Sego UI, but you can now also pick from familiar options like Arial, Georgia, or Times New Roman, as well as sleek Google fonts like Roboto, Lotto, and Open Sans. Plus, Power BI even allows you to extend supported fonts by defining them in a theme.json file, but we'll get to that in a bit. One thing that's really nice. These fonts work across both Power BI Desktop and the online Power BI service, so you don't have to mess around with installing fonts on your computer or worrying about your viewers not seeing the right font. Next, let's look at actually applying these fonts to your report. Start by selecting a visual or a text box in your report, maybe a title, a data card, or even a slicer. On the right, jump into the Format pane, then into the Fonts section. Here, you'll see a drop-down where you can pick any of the supported font families. You can also tweak the font size, set it bold or light, and adjust the color to really help elements stand out. Don't hesitate to play around a little. You'll see instantly how these small tweaks can change the whole energy of your visualization. And this doesn't just work for big headlines. You can apply font settings to axis labels, values, card visuals, and slicers, everywhere you want the style to be just right. Now for that consistent, all my visuals match look, you'll want to use a custom theme file, and this is where Power BI's theme.json comes in. This lets you define fonts globally, so when you apply the theme, every visual in your report automatically follows the rules you set. For example, you might choose Lotto for your report titles, Roboto for data labels, and set a bold, eye-catching color for callouts. Imagine you've created a custom theme, JSON file with your preferred fonts, sizes, and colors all defined, kind of like a recipe for the style of your report. To apply this, head to the View tab in Power BI, click on Themes, and then choose Browse for Themes. Just upload your custom JSON file. Instantly, your entire report adopts the fonts and formatting rules you selected, which really dial up the consistency and saves you a ton of time reformatting each visual by hand. And that's it, just like that, you've taken your Power BI reports from generic to uniquely yours. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about custom fonts or themes in Power BI, just drop them in the comments below. I always love helping out. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.